Namaste to you. We continue with another episode of the sharing of the rich clinical experiences from Dr. C.P. Matthew sir, the most experienced oncologist in India. And in this specific episode, we are discussing about prostate cancer. And of course, you'll see the screenshots of the case histories and clinical details of the patient with their names, of course, hidden. But it's very common for us to find people with low backache, elderly, senior citizens, 60 plus, even 70 plus, a low backache that doesn't go off, and we somehow end up realizing that it was a secondary from the prostate. And there are many situations where we find the PSA levels, even if they say normal is 4, the prostate specific antigen test of the maximum level of 4, some may even say up to 10, it is okay. There's so much of confusion that happens. And in this specific episode, we will be discussing about somebody somewhere outside India who is a bit confused about what he should do. He doesn't necessarily have a lot of troubles of hesitancy, urgency, the typical benign prostatic hyperplasia that shows us the hesitancy in urination, urgency, and repeated going to the toilet time and again, and the dribbling that is so notoriously disturbing. So that further goes on to a much more difficult level. So there are many elderly men who are affected by it, and Dr. Matthew sir has previously narrated that it's kind of a affordable is a bit sarcastic word. It's kind of an affordable cancer in terms of its cure prospects and long-term thing. So I would be handing over the narration to sir.
This orchidectomy is a routine thing, and I think every prostatic cancer must undergo orchidectomy. Now, after orchidectomy, if the situation doesn't improve, we can put him on hormones. Hormones, it is the female hormones that are used in the male cancers. But with this, you can, to a large extent, a large percentage of prostatic cancers can be managed by these simple methods instead of going for chemotherapy and radiation and all that. At least 90% of prostatic cancers can be managed with simple orchidectomy and supportive hormone management. Only very few will need further treatment. And at the same time, I don't think chemotherapy has any role in prostatic cancer. So if you have to get a cancer, I am sure the safest and the best cancer is prostatic cancer.
As we have just now got the information very precisely from sir's experience, orchidectomy, the removal of the testicles, is of course a very harsh statement. But then I have seen in guidance by sir, there are patients whom I know, even by just orchidectomy done, the prostate specific antigen levels have come down, the symptoms have come down. So even if it's a very harsh word, as good as mastectomy in ladies, it still has that impact as the first thing. And sir has narrated to me before also that even the person may prolong his life another 20 years. Is a high chance to get better and better. Is a very high chance in this specific type of cancer. The specific narration now sir would be making about is somebody who is settled outside India and who is already nearly 70 already. He has been troubled by what to do in his mind because he has no symptoms, but his prostate specific antigen level, PSA level, is always 20, 24, 26, 28, like that's always the case. And he was rattled by this thought and multiple confusions being told to him. Some said go for surgery and some said chemotherapy and multiple confusions. And then he got the opinion from perhaps one of the best prostate specialists in USA that if you don't have your PSA levels doubled in a span of a year's time, you may just take it easy, wait, watch before you respond. It's a wait and watch scenario that was advised to him. So maybe we are overdoing some chemos here unnecessarily in situations. So I will hand over the narration to sir.
Can be easily managed with hormones, female hormones. That is what I do. I don't think there is any indication for chemotherapy. Just female hormones, that is you have hormone and silvestrol like that. Regular use, it will completely reduce the hormone level, this antigen level, this PSA level in the prostatic cancer. So I recommend only hormones in prostatic cancer. No chemotherapy at all. That is my principle of treatment.